in the garage area. So this is one of them. Right now we going to the Whole Foods, and it's like apartment buildings on top. Is it an apartment building on this one?
I think so. Or it may be businesses on top of this one.
Yeah, so you gotta go down and park in the garage. So a lot of our Walmarts are like this in the area. Our Whole Foods, CVS, you know, they want to be fancy. So we're gonna go ahead and park.
And it looks busy in here too.
I hope not, but I figure we go ahead and shop today versus tomorrow. You know, we always the last minute shoppers. Oh, we gotta go up the steps. We're here now. We're gonna walk up these steps. You get a cart?
Mini.
I cannot breathe. And it's nice. I'm just so glad we don't have to wear these masks anymore to come into the grocery store. So the first stop is the corn. Daddy always try to get the pre-cut corn. So I hope y'all can hear me. But I pick up some oranges for the kids. And everything in here is just so fresh. That's one thing about the Whole Foods. Everything looks so good.
What you doing, burgers?
Yeah.
No.
Tell them about your meat grinder, y'all. Pull out that meat grinder.
I know, but I don't want to pull out the meat grinder today. Are we going to do hamburgers?
Yeah. And I've been on these turkey burgers lately. Okay, so that's the head. Got Daddy doing all the heavy lifting today. You know, he can put the stuff in the bags. Y'all like shopping with your husbands or your partners? Still in this COVID season, y'all. So, you know, we gotta be careful what we pick up. Make sure you know, still look at everything and so it's nice and fresh looking. We're gonna make some kebabs. We're gonna make
2 orange and 2 red.
Okay, I'm gonna take this mask up because I don't know if y'all can hear me or not real quick. But we're gonna make some kebabs. So we're gonna get some of these peppers. I could have did some bacon wrapped jalapenos, but Daddy don't want those.
We're gonna do 2 yellow. We ain't had yellow.
It doesn't matter. You know, they all kind of taste the same anyway.
I know, right?
The peppers, you know, versus the green, the yellow, the red. Don't they kind of like all taste the same? So we're gonna get these for the kebabs.
I got the mushrooms already.
Okay. Let's see what I can sneak in the cart, you know. You know, you gotta try to sneak something in the cart. Let me see what I can sneak in the cart while Daddy's not looking. What do you want, some oysters? I don't really see nothing. Look, he's trying to get down to this meat cabinet. You're not gonna put nothing in the grinder, but I thought he should put something in the meat grinder. Y'all want them fresh burgers for the 4th of July grill? He got the little basket. We ain't coming here for that much stuff.
That's the chicken sausage.
Look at all these different kind of sausages. That's mango. We got Tuscan, chicken, turkey. We had the bratwurst the last time.
Female the time.
What the one you do good? What the one you do low?
If y'all love cheese, this is like cheese heaven. Oh my god, nigga, all the way down. So if you love macaroni and cheese, you make your little catachcore board. I can't even say that word right now, but you know, the board with all the Italian meats and the cheese, and then you can put like some jelly. I cannot wait to make one of them boards. Yeah, but is that the one? Let me see. I love that cheese that Daddy had bought for that macaroni the last time. No, that's not it.
That's not it?
It was more of a block.
rock, right?
Yeah. It was like Brazilian something. Look, it go all the way down. It's like a array of cheeses.
You want to try something new? Let's try something.
I do, but I still want to get that one we had the last time. And normally they'll have the samples in here, which is so good. But because of COVID right now, you can't sample anything. So everything is just put away. It's kind of like Costco. You know, when you go in Costco, you get so excited to try the different samples. It's the same thing when you come in here, but we can't do none of that because COVID just ruined everything. Okay?
One pack of thighs will be good.
Is that boneless? Yeah, it's a boneless.
Yeah.
Need some boneless chicken thighs. You know, that's the best cut of the meat. And then I need to get the sauce to go on top of it.
What sauce?
Like a peanut sauce. That's in the international aisle right here. We love the international aisle. I said this is one of our favorite aisles in the grocery store because one is full of sauce. Okay, Daddy loves sauce. I love sauce, especially like Indian food, Jamaican food, Spanish food. I'm trying to find a peanut. I know. I'm trying to find a peanut sauce so I can put on these boneless chicken wings with the boneless chicken thighs. Help us find it, y'all. I'm trying to find a a peanut sauce. Y'all probably can't see nothing. Yeah, I'm blind. I don't have my glasses on. Okay. Oh, what's that one? Oh, that looks good. Peanut coconut sauce. Yeah, that sounds good. That's the flavor we're going for. So we're going to put these on the grill and put them on the sticks. You come in here. What's that? Sushi? Oh yeah, Daddy love this sushi that we be getting from Whole Foods. And I think they make it, what, every day fresh? This the little sushi station right here. Yeah, they got the whole little sushi station right here. They make it fresh every day. So can you guess what's the flavors of these? Oh my god, they look so freaking amazing. So comment down below if you guys are a sweet tooth lover. Oh my goodness, can you resist? Look at all of this.
Since you never heard of French toast.
Oh my god. Got a 4th of July cake. Happy 4th of July. What Daddy over here trying to buy? I can't have none of this stuff, y'all. Oh, look at that one. And if you don't know, Whole Foods does sell wine too. Free chilling service. Yeah, so you can bring your own bottle of wine and they can chill it for you. Look, we're learning something new, y'all.
Oh, that's cold.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and head to checkout because we're trying to keep it light today, y'all. We're not gonna do it as big as we did for Memorial Day. What's the damage, y'all, for the day? What's the damage? Hold on. Okay.
I think we did pretty good.
Yeah.
We did pretty good.
You know, shopping with Daddy. Alright, we done made it back in the house. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got from the store really quick. And we picked up some dinner because it's Friday night and we're not about to cook nothing. I'm tired. I don't know about you guys tonight, but we picked up some Wingstop. I don't know if y'all got a Wingstop in your area. And then I got some KFC chicken. So let me show you guys real quick, okay? Okay, so this is the Wingstop. Daddy got some boneless wings. Which ones are these? Oh, this is the corn. So we said some Cajun butter corn. That corn do look bomb.
Dad, can we have some of your sushi?
Okay, and then we got some sauce. Some sauce here. Oh, they put all the chicken in this little, you know, the 4 tin pans.
Yeah, because it's a lot of chicken.
Alright, so it's boneless wings. So one of them is the Hawaiian. And then...
That one looks spicy.
Yeah, I'm not sure which one. This one is...
What
like
is
you
that?
said, Korean barbecue.
One of them looks spicy.
This one looks like the Hawaiian one. You said it's Hawaiian, Korean barbecue, and habanero. So maybe this one is the habanero because it got the little peppers on it. Hello, eggplant, butter. Say what's up to the family, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator now. Daddy picked up some sweets. This is like some cheesecake, and he got a little tart. Look good. And then I told you we gonna be making some chicken on a stick. So these are the chicken thighs.
Are we making kebabs or something? Because I got sick.
Oh, they put his brownie in the bag because they forgot his brownie in the bag the last time he went to Wingstop. I had to get some skewers for the chicken and the kebabs that we're gonna make tomorrow. You need the skewers for your kebab. Get a piece of chicken.
Spicy, but the light ones.
Don't eat too many of these because these ones are not spicy. So these are more the ones that cake with me.
To make some jalapeno poppers. So I got some jalapenos. We're gonna go ahead and cut these in half. I may do a video on those tomorrow. And then for the jalapeno poppers, I got some Black Forest bacon. So this is the thick slice uncured bacon. And you want to get a nice thick bacon because we're going to put it on the grill. I don't want it to, you know, fall apart. And then for the kebabs, we got some mushrooms. For the kebabs, we got the peppers. So we got some yellow peppers. We got the orange peppers. Daddy picked up some corn. I'm gonna make some more of the garlic butter corn on the cob. That's gonna be good. And then for the jalapeno poppers, we're gonna do the cream cheese. So I picked up 2 of those.
The dark color.
And then for my chicken on a stick, I picked up this peanut coconut sauce. Then we picked up some cheeses.
What, did you get the corn?
Okay, so this is Fontana. And we had this one for the Memorial Day cookout, macaroni and cheese. That one was really good. And then I think this is something new that we never had, the Asiago Fresco. Y'all, that line of cheese in there is amazing in Whole Foods. You'll be in there all day just trying to find a new cheese. And then this one is Hickabay. So I don't know what none of these cheeses taste like, but they're really good. And then of course we got some fresh mozzarella. Yep, some fresh mozzarella still in the liquid. A pineapple is already right. Daddy's gonna try to put this on the grill. Take 2. Because he was supposed to put some on the grill for Memorial Day cookout, but he didn't. And then we got some Italian sausage. This is going to go on the kebab. Lamb, some rib chops. What's the rib chops?
No, that one that's spicy.
Is that the regular chops? Okay. Chops. We're gonna put those on the grill. And then I have some ribs in the freezer also. I'm gonna take out the freezer tonight. And then you brought some more ribs?
Yeah, but those going in the freezer.
Okay, so these are some more pork spare ribs. So we're gonna, you know. Okay, so we're not gonna put these on the grill, but we're just gonna have them in the house. You never know what may come up. And then I got some grilled chicken from KFC because I can't have all the fried chicken right now. And then for the kebabs, I got 3 big onions. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up into chunky sizes. And I had to sneak this in. I don't know what this is. It's a body wash. I never had it before, but it looked nice and good. Goat's milk and chai body wash. So it's nice and soothing and hydrating. So this will be a nice little quiet time, mommy time. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this tonight.
Keep beating on the bathroom door.
Right. So they always in mommy's stuff. So go ahead and comment down below if you guys have used this before. Alright, y'all, so it was real on another video with you guys, rolling with the fam style family of 6. You know, we're showing you how we get down for the holidays. Nothing different. 4th of July is tomorrow. And hopefully by the time you see this video, you know, happy 4th of July. See y'all later. Yes, they see you later.